traditional definition of the workplace is changing. Design teams need to collaborate over great distances and have the flexibility to get the work done on the go. Choosing the right CAD tool is paramount. But what about the design data? How can it be stored securely but still provide convenient access at any time, anywhere? 3D Experience SolidWorks offers industry-leading SolidWorks desktop CAD, as well as powerful browser-based CAD solutions, all built from the ground up with secure and convenient cloud data management at its core. SolidWorks Desktop provides dedicated tools and workflows that streamline the design and development of your products from concepts through to reality. Great designs typically start with a sketch. SolidWorks makes this simple and straightforward. Even the most complex ideas are easy to realize with access to instant feedback and standard tools like the Hole Wizard, an extensive library of hole types built right in. SolidWorks enables you to not only modify design dimensions, but also reuse geometry with a simple drag and drop, a great time saver. Because SolidWorks is connected directly to the 3D Experience platform, you can easily find the components you need with a simple search. Components can be snapped together with ease, no clunky menus or confusing windows to navigate. SolidWorks understands the mechanical relationship between components and can generate lifelike motion in even the most complex assemblies. Understanding the performance of your designs early in the design process is crucial to a successful product launch. SolidWorks provides powerful tools that help you get to market ahead of time and with maximum quality. Documenting your designs is quick and easy. Simply start with a standard drawing sheet and snap 2D views into place. Projection views are created automatically, and section views are just a click away. Save time by importing dimensions straight from the 3D model, or create special dimensions and callouts with intuitive tools. Drawings in SolidWorks are always up to date and contain accurate detail, like automatic bill of materials and item balloons, to make understanding the design easy for manufacturing and suppliers. With 3D Experience SolidWorks, your design data is saved to the secure cloud, making it immediately available to your team and other stakeholders. Your data will always be safely backed up and controlled using maturity workflows and revision management, all without the need to purchase, install, or maintain expensive servers on premises. With 3D Experience SolidWorks, you're no longer tethered to the office, as it includes powerful 3D CAD and a web browser. Build complex 3D parts and assemblies using an intuitive design interface. The 3D Experience platform natively understands your CAD data, so you can reference it while creating messages to your team or while creating intelligent tasks to drive daily work. This streamlines your design process now that contributors don't have to spend time searching for the right documents. They can move forward with certainty, knowing that they're working on the correct document every time. The tight integration between the browser-based CAD tools and the powerful desktop tools allows files to be used interchangeably. Designing is no longer a function of how powerful your computer is. It's a function of where inspiration strikes. Customers demand great-looking products. Take advantage of subdivision modeling in the browser with 3D Experience SolidWorks to create complex shapes that would be difficult to design using traditional 3D CAD methods. Just push and pull in the virtual clay environment to instantly see your product take shape. Also available with 3D Experience SolidWorks is the ability to create high-quality, photorealistic renderings of your products using SolidWorks Visualize. Creating renderings is easy. Drag and drop materials, colors, textures, and environments. Then, use the lightning-fast rendering engine with Denoiser AI technology built in to effortlessly create high-popping images or animations. As your business grows, the 3D Experience platform grows with you. Validate your design decisions using Simulia. Take your project management to the next level with integrated project planning tools. Access powerful CAM functionality with Delmia, and so much more. The traditional definition of the workplace is changing, but that doesn't mean that progress comes to a halt. All of these powerful tools make it easy to go from concept to design to manufacture and beyond, no matter where your team members are located.
Okay, can we start the meeting?
Yes.
I guess people will join. Okay,
Yeah,
we'll just start.
Yeah.
Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. So as you all know, I am Dr. Sajid from Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, KMEA. So we organize the webinars to bridge to fill the gap between the academic education and the industry requirements. So as part of this, today we have a distinguished talk from uh, Vinay as manager of Conceptia Connect. He have 15 more than 16 years experience in this training career in his career. So the Conceptia Connect, it is an multinational company training center. They are authorized training center of SolidWorks and reseller. So I wish all the students will get an opportunity to more what industry requires actually from engineers. So I will hand over the session from here to Mr. Vinay. So, sir, please take over the session from here.
Thank you, Sajid. Okay, so dear students, welcome you all for the session today. So, okay, I think we will be having a wonderful session now. Okay, means what the industry needs from graduates, engineering graduates. Okay, so that will be a big question mark for you. Correct? We should do after our engineering. Okay, whether I want to enter into an industry or whether I need to come continue the education or what I should do. Okay, so this 1.5 hour my presentation will take you through what is industry first. Okay, we'll take you that what is industry, and then I will teach you, like I will guide you how you have to prepare yourself for the upcoming market. So first of all, I want to thank KMEA College, okay, management, that they are given us the opportunity to touch base the students and talk to them or to discuss with them, okay, what they need and what we can able to help them. By this, Mr. HOD sir, Vijesh Paul, and Dr. Sajid, okay, for both of them, I thank you from Conceptia Software Technologies Private Limited. We want to thank you. So, whom I am, like, I want to introduce myself, right? So, my name is Vinay. I'm working as a manager in the Conceptia Software Technologies Private Limited, taking care of education, business, and training. So, I have total years of 17 plus years of experience in total year of experience in the industry. In Conceptia, I have 15 plus years of experience. In my 50 or 17 years of my professional experience, what I was doing, I was continually in touch with the technology, what the technology, the recent technology, what the technology, okay, is there, and how the technology can be implemented to the industry. That is a very crucial point actually. Yes, technology will come. We'll get many softwares, whatever it is there. Okay, they will write a program and they can able to create it as a one software. But whether that software can be implemented, what is the return on investment on the software, how to implement that software in the day-to-day activities, that will be very important, because we have to give a training on that software, how it works, where you have to go and click, what the report you have to generate, how it will be used, everything pin to pin of the software we have to train and we have to implement if the software has to become a successful. So that was my journey from past 17 years. Means technology, software. The Dassault system was bringing in new softwares for the industries, where they can help the industry peoples to automate their day-to-day activities, okay, and to get the reports generated in one click. Reports in the sense mechanical field, what it is, BOM, bill of materials, okay, drawings, assembly, whatever it is there, okay, design solution, okay, SolidWorks. I was into that for some 12 to 13 years. So I have got touch based with all industry verticals, means 50 plus industry vertical I have touch based, and I am a certified instructor from Dassault System SolidWorks also. So this was my introduction, and now I want to introduce my team. So Mr. Ritesh KA, he is a director and sales who guide us to do our business. Okay, and he is heading our business. Myself, I am a manager of education and training for all over India. My presence will be in all over India. And Vipin Raj Kamath, okay, so he is the territory manager of Kerala region. And we have Ebin Kurian, the sales engineer, and Pratish, yes, as an application engineer. So I request everyone, okay, the students, how many students are there now? We have some 20 students now. Okay, so I request all 20 students to be in touch with this Abin Kurian, because he is the one person who will get all the information from the Dassault system, because he is the front end for the education business in Kerala. Dassault system, every 3 months once they will be releasing the design contests, okay, or the projects what you have done, that they can able to take it to an international level. Okay, so many activities for the students they will be having. Okay, so Ebin is the right person and the guidance for you, that he can able to guide you, like what is the offers from Dassault system. Okay, so how you can able to get benefit out of that and everything, because it's not a small thing like attending an international events. Okay, we will not get a chance even in Kerala to attend some events in the state level, but it is an international level. Okay, so students, be prepared for that, and you can able to go for the international level exhibitions. So Ebin Kurian is a first point contact for the Kerala region for the education, and Pratish is an application engineer where he can able to do the back end support of the technical activities. So this is our team. Okay, so small team but very effective manner we are working. And just now I was talking, and I want to congratulate the 3 team. Okay, so from your college who have attended the Law Foundation international exhibition, okay, where it is conducted by Dassault system. There they have projected their projects. This is one of the team, like 4-member team. They projected their project in the international projects. This is the second team and the third team. Totally the 13 students. Okay, so they have done different 3 projected, like VRF refrigerations and solar water edge cutters. Okay, and some vehicles and all. So their project, they're able to exhibit their projects in the international level. So once again, I congratulation all 13 students. Okay, I know that what will be the hard work what you have done to achieve this level. Okay, and Conceptia also, like Conceptia and the Dassault system also has given you an opportunity, okay, to reach this stage. Congratulations once again, and this is the foundation for your career. Okay, so build a big building on the foundation. Okay, and come up in your life. So that is my wish to all of you. Okay, and my congratulations to you. And we don't want to leave this 13 students. Okay, so from Conceptia Software Technologies Private Limited, we want to give some offerings for you, where you can able to get some certifications. Okay, and you can able to get improve your skill sets in the design. Okay, so for that, in the last of my presentation, I will be sharing you what is the offering you will be getting. Okay, so now the agenda in my next 1.5 hours, what we will be going and what we will be discussing each other. First of all, I want to introduce the Conceptia Software Technologies Private Limited, who we are, what we are doing. Okay, so why you want to listen? See, afternoon time now it is very difficult, because we will have the lunch and we are sitting for the to listen the lecture. Okay, so if it is interesting, only you can able to sit. So only you have to make it yourself interesting, like to whom I am talking to, whether the person is right person or not. Okay, so decide that. In that presentation I will teach you like who we are, what we are doing, and what we have to help you. About Industry 4.0, you know, I don't want to tell you anything about the Industry 4.0, because if you go to Google and if you search for the industry revolution, it will get Industry 4.0. What and all is there? Thousands of videos are there. The lakhs together, the lecturers and the industry peoples have told their experience about that. But whether we are ready for that Industry 4.0 revolution, already it is there, like Industry 5.0, 6.0, and all the other countries have touched. They've reached to that level. But India is struggling to practice Industry 4.0. So for that, we are ready as a student. What is automation then? Recently, the Industry 4.0 will talk about automation. So then what is automation? So these 3 points are the trend of the industry now, industry trend. So keeping this as a trend, like what industry needs from the graduates. Now, how you have to prepare yourself. So how the CAD and CAE will help you students to guide your professional life. And about SolidWorks, like what the SolidWorks, Dassault Systèmes SolidWorks is bringing the offers for you. So this is what we are going, and we want to discuss on that. So first of all, Conceptia Software Technologies Private Limited. As our services depends, we have 4 industry verticals. One is Conceptia Connect, where we are the value-added resellers for the Dassault Systèmes SolidWorks. Conceptia Marine. Just a second, I have one small disturbance. Sorry, there was a small disturbance. Okay, now I am audible. Ebin, I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have strength of 24. Okay. So this is our company introduction. So Conceptia Marine is a division where the naval architects will work on this department. And we have Conceptia Manufacturing, so where they give the complete product solution, and we are into a renewable energy source also. Our head office is located in Karnataka, Bangalore, and our branch offices is in Kerala, Cochin, and Tamil Nadu. What we offer? So we offer SolidWorks products and services. Like as I told you, we are the value-added resellers for the SolidWorks product. We have an automation solution called as DriveWorks software, where it's a #1 software for the design automation. As I was telling you now, Industry 4.0 altogether tells about the automation. So this is the best software for the design automation, and we are the whole implementer, developer, and we can able to give the solution of this design automation for all over India. So we have 3D printing also. We do some services and we sell the solution for industries on the additive manufacturing process. And we have 3D connection mouse. This is specially mouse designed for the CAD engineers. And we are the solution partners for Dassault Systèmes SolidWorks training solutions. Okay, so we are the partners for training solutions for SolidWorks Dassault Systèmes. So next today, SolidWorks today. So where we are, so we have 56 plus lakhs users. 2 lakhs plus companies have adopted SolidWorks as their designing company, designing solution. 33 academic institutes are purchased the software and they have implemented the software, and they are giving the training to the students as a SolidWorks is a designing tool. And all of them, users, companies, and the students, all together have only one passion. What is that passion? That is design. So everyone is into design, right? So now almost all 10 students are there here, 10 to 15 students. If I ask this 10 to 15 students, like, what is your professional career, what do you want to build? So you will tell, I want to become designer. Correct? Harsha? Harish. Sorry, Harish. You can unmute and you can able to talk to me. Mohammed? Justin? Anyone? Anyone can able to talk to me? Unmute your phone and you can talk to me. Unmute your session. Rajesh? Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. So what is your aim? So what do you want to become? So first of all, you can introduce yourself. What is your name?
My name is Muhammad Aslam.
Hmm.
I'm a BTech graduate from KME Engineering College.
Hmm.
And that's it, sir.
So you have completed your 8th term. One.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good. Very good. Ram. So what is your aim now? So, how you can build your career now?
Actually, I don't plan about my career.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I'm interested in designing right now. So just
Certainly, what I want to tell is all design. Thank you, ma. Thank you very much.
uh,
So all design, like mechanical students, passion will be design. Okay? As he told, like he has not decided on his career, but he want to become a designer because that is a passion what we have. Okay. What's your passion? Okay. What we are doing? What concepts you can able to do for you? This is the question. What next after engineering? This is the main question for you students, correct? Means 80% of the students will go for the higher educations. Sorry, 20% of the students will go for the higher educations. 80% of the engineering students wants to start their career after completing the engineering. But whether you are ready for that, see, company will not take you, they will not invest money on you, because if they recruit you, okay, to their company, they have to pay the salary for you. If they want to pay the salary for you, what you are giving to the company? What is the return on investment you have to think? Okay, okay, 1 month, 2 months, they will give you the training. On what they will give you the training? They will not give you the training on the basic engineering, or they will not teach you what is the spanner, what is the screwdriver. They will not teach that for you. They will teach you what is their process. Okay, if XYZ company, if you are joining, they will teach what is the XYZ company process, what they are manufacturing, who are the customers for them, from where we are doing the business. That they will give the introduction. They will not give you the basic engineering classes there. Okay, so as a student, you have to convert yourself as a student to a professional person. That is the gap. So whenever I go and I will ask for the students that, oh, why you are not getting job in a mechanical engineer, they will tell, sir, every company is asking as a experienced person, sir. If they are not giving the job, how I can able to get the experience? This is the answer from the students what I am getting. But when I asked for the companies, industries, okay, if I ask some GMs or a MD and I ask them the questions are, why you are not taking the freshers? Why you are not taking the engineering graduates? They will tell that, who told you that? We are taking engineering graduates. We will hire them. But they should not be as a raw material for us. They should have some talent with them. The student who is coming out of the engineering college, he doesn't know how to read the drawing. Then what is the use I am taking him? This is the questions what I am getting from the industry. So please, students, follow these 5 steps. Now I will tell you what you have to do to convert yourself from the student to a professional. Think out of box. You have to come out from that student life. Still you are after 8 sem, 9 sem. See, Abdul, like one of your friend only has been, after he has completed his 8 sem and still he is not decided what should be his professional life, professional career. Even in third semester, fourth semester, when you are coming to the fourth semester, you have to decide that where you have to go and join and which platform I have to work. Okay, what I should learn. Then only it is possible that you can get a good job. Okay, so you have to think out of box. Then you have to go for industry standard. What industry standard it is there? I told you, no, simply they will not teach you all these industry standards, what you have to this and all. You have to learn yourself. You have YouTube channels, you have Wikipedia, many sources there. Every students now they have the Android phone with in their hands. So use that technology for upgrading your skills. Don't go and see some movies, okay, and don't waste your time by chatting in the WhatsApp, sending the selfies. No, it may be a joke for us, okay, when I am telling it may be a joke, but real condition in the industry is this only. You will think that the students will think that if I got 4 years, I have completed the engineering, I will go for the job, you will get the job. And in your parents also, and your parents also will be in the same situation. So I have invested some 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs into our daughter or son. So after completing the engineering, they will get a job, they will get lakhs together of salary. Nowhere, no chance. If you work very hard only because of the engineering graduate, you will not get the job. You should have separate skill for that. Skill set should be there. You have to work hard for that. Yes, first semester, second semester, sorry, first year, second year, you leave it out. You enjoy your life, student life. But at least when you are reaching the fourth year or in between the third year, start preparing yourself for the industry. Okay, so next you want to compete with the technology edge. What technology is there? If I ask anyone here, so now I have 20 students in this session. So if I ask 20 students, like what is the manufacturing process of plastic? Anyone can able to explain me? What is the material? What is the raw material we are inserting into injection molding? What is injection molding? How the additive manufacturing process will happen? Whether the additive manufacturing process is we can able to use it for the mass production. See, this at all many questions are there where you need to answer for the industry. So please prepare yourself to compete with the technology edge. Okay, then interpersonal skill. So identify yourself, what the skill you have, where you have to, where you are interested to work. Simply go and don't work for the money, because I will tell Dr. MBBS course and the mechanical engineering course both are equal. But you have to build your career. That's all. MBBS students who has come out from the MBBS, he or she has to work as an assistant doctor. They cannot able to open a clinic and start giving the medicines or start giving the treatment. They have to work as a assistant doctors. Same thing, the engineering mechanical engineer also should work as a assistants for 1 or 2 years. In that period you build your career. After you can see the job will come for you. Don't go behind the job will come for you. Hike will be there with you only. Okay, motivation and commitment, that only I was telling you. Commitment should be there. Simply don't jump like, oh okay, HDFC Bank is giving me some 20,000 rupees salary, I will go. What is the use of then studying mechanical engineer? Learn what the HDFC banking sector is there, what the banking sector needs. You learn according to that. If you are interested in the banking, go for the banking. Doing the course like in the mechanical engineering and joining the some credit card application process. Okay, that and all you are going and you are doing. No, please get commitment. Yes, I will grow in my professional life only. Then you see that your life will get changed. Okay, so this is the 5 points where you have to adopt yourself to become from students to an professional person. Okay, so by this I want to introduce you that industry 4.0. I know that everyone knows what is industry 4.0. I told you, no? Go for Google and search it out. You will get 100 of videos. What is industry 4.0? But according to me, industry 4.0 means a man for the name for the current trend of automation and data exchange in the manufacturing technology. That's all. New technology has come. Okay, where the manufacturing process is continuing. They're not stopped the manufacturing and they're not doing it something else. Everyone is doing manufacturing only, but the trend has been changed and they have given the new name called as industry 4.0. What is that? IoT, internet of things, cloud computing, smart factories, cyber computing, physical cyber computing, and everything. So what is the trend? You see the trend in 18th century, what the water power, the power came into an industry. So they used and they started building some activities. In 19th century, by using this power, they made it as a mass manufacturing, mass production, assembly line. Electricity came into picture, came into that era. And in this 20th century, robots came into an competition. Many people told that, robot will come, no, for us there will be no job at all robots will do. Who will create the robots? Who have told the robots to do this work? We are only, na? Okay, so we got opportunities actually. By the technology growing, we got the opportunity. It is not that we are losing the opportunity. By industry 4.0, today's technology, they're telling that physical cyber systems. By this, they are all students, everyone is telling, because there is no manpower at all, the cut of manpower, there will be no any manpower at all, everything will be automated. Yes, you have to do automated if you want to get more business, or if you want to get more profit, then it has to be automated. I cannot pay some 3,000 4,000 employees and I cannot able to manufacture for 10 rupees 20 rupees. So I have to do the automation, but the technology you have to adopt. That's all. Don't be in the old technology only. Adopt new technology and grow according to the technology. Okay, that is only what the industry 4.0 tells up for you. So this is the small video. Please go through this video and have a look at what is industry 4.0.
A bottling plant for liquids set up together with Siemens is used to demonstrate the most important components of the intelligent factory of the future. Each bottle contains an RFID chip storing a precise description of how it has to be processed, which liquid, which lid, and which label. At each station, the bottle communicates directly with the machine, telling it how it has to be processed. At the end, the computer checks whether the bottle has actually been produced as desired. Factories with networked machines and products are already in existence today. In the future, however, these hitherto self-contained systems will be connected together in a comprehensive network. All devices, machines, and materials will be duly equipped with sensors and communications technology and connect to each other. These systems are known as cyber-physical systems. The highlight is that they communicate with each other and also control each other cooperatively.
This is having a big video. Okay, I have cut short this why, because this is what we have to understand. That's all. What the bottle is going from one place to another place. There is no manual interruptions. Everything is going on with the automated process. So predefined, we have done predefined, programming we have done for that. Okay, so sensor, with all the sensors we have told that first it has to come, so it has to fill the liquid. Okay, next it has to go and add the bottleneck, okay, cap for that and sticker for that, everything. But who will build this? Who will build this system? Engineers has to build this system. Especially mechanical engineers should build this system. Okay, so this is called as automation. So what do you mean by automation actually? To reduce the time taken from the repetitive task in our design process is called as design automation. Time taken for the repetitive task. Okay, so in our design process or process is called as design automation. Means what? Daily we are coming to office, daily we are doing the same work, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We will work for 6 days in a week. Okay, so you will come to the office, you do the same work and you go. Daily you will come, fill that bottle liquid, you go. Fill the bottle liquid, you go. As a engineering, if you are giving this work, you will get bored now. So filling that bottle liquid, what it is there, make it automation and work for the new technology, new innovations. Then your mind also will be active and there will be an motivation for you to work for the new technologies. That is what the industry is telling for you. Don't give it as a repetitive task, otherwise you will be get bored. Because the new generation people want the innovatives they want to do. Okay, so that capability is there only with the fresh engineers. So only the industry peoples want the freshers with the innovative minds. Okay, so for this what it is there. So we will come for the design now, design automation. So what you are seeing on the screen, it is a machine, okay, with the 3 configurations. What do you mean by configurations? With the 3 sizes, small, medium and big. What is this machine actually? It's a powder mixing machine, medicine mixing machine. Okay, so they will put some composition of the chemical here, means medicine, and they will rotate it out so that it will get mixed completely. Okay, so this is the machine. Already it is designed. Already we are giving this to the customers, but customer is coming to us with a different sizes. Today he will tell I want small machine, tomorrow he will tell I want big machine. Okay, or he will give the sizes. So what and all the machines you want and all. Means repetitive task. This is our repetitive task. I have done the machine design, it is done. But daily what is the work to do on that machine? So you have to reduce the repetitive task in the design. So once you reduce that repetitive task, then you will get a time. Means the engineer will get a time to enhance the product quality. So he will work for the other products or to improving this product only. Okay, this is how the design automation should work, and the industry also is needing from you is this, to make the routine work as a repetitive, like as a routine work. It should not affect your day-to-day activities, but you have to think on the enhancing the product quality, how the new technology can be adopted for this. Instead of rotating with the hand, I can able to give any motor for this, or design I can able to change, so that the customer also will be happy for that. When the customer is happy, what happens? Means if you are doing the custom design, very neat design, custom design you are doing, and reduce the repetitive task, so that the quickly you are delivering the product to a customer, and enhance the product quality. Day to day your product quality is improving. It's not the same you are giving to the customer. Then what happens? Will get more inquiries. The customer will come for you for the business, more business. So when the customer comes for you repeatedly, then what happens? The business will improve and the revenue will also get increased. All your work, when you enter into an industry, all your work movement, everything is related to the business. Revenue, revenue, revenue. Okay, so you have to produce the revenue to your company where you have joined. You have to earn the money. So if you are innovative, then only you can able to bring some business to your company. Okay, this is what the design automation means. So how then the software can able to work for me now? Then how the mechanical field is turning? What is the new trend for the mechanical industries? Means e-commerce. You know, everyone knows the e-commerce, right? Okay, someone, Gokul, you can able to talk to me? Gokul, you can unmute and you can talk to me. Or Kiran, Gokul. No one wants to talk to me. Huh? Vijay, Amal Vijay, yes sir. Yeah, you can able to talk to unmute and you can talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Vijay. Great, great listening to you, your voice. Okay, so now what is e-commerce?
Commerce is an online platform selling site
Yeah,
like
exactly.
Amazon or Flipkart.
Very good. So any mechanical products you can tell, anything is there online? You know,
Mechanical, yeah. Mechanical machines or software you're talking about?
not software. Software you can purchase. Like
Uh,
product, like
Mechanic,
bearing.
yeah. Utensils
Uh,
and like small machines.
Correct, right? Like small machine. So how, what is its input? Means I can able to give the input. What is the dimension of the machine and everything,
Yeah.
so that the online I can able to order for that and they will deliver for me to the home. Correct.
Yes. Yes.
So that is one e-commerce what they want to enter here. As I told you, mechanical industry we have in a 50 plus industry vertical, the mechanical peoples can work. Okay. So in this way, see, e-commerce, we know that what is e-commerce. Then e-commerce was expecting, okay, into 2020 they were expecting $28 trillion of business in the e-commerce, but they have crossed that. Okay, so that is the trend what it is going on now, e-commerce. So for that e-commerce I have taken the furniture as an example. Okay, so now I want to I have taken some 3 to 4 companies, top companies, manufacturing, sorry, furniture companies in India. So they will tell that you design, we manufacture for you. What is that concept? You design, we manufacture for you. Because furnitures and all, it is designed according to the customer requirement, correct? Same thing, you can relate this for the machines, whatever it is there, packing machines, special purpose machines. Okay, for example, bearing, okay, shafts, everything. Some of the products like couplings, okay, many products can able to make it as a e-commerce now. So in this way, I have taken very small example for you so that you can able to understand. The students can able to understand easily and quickly. So now I want to take the shoe rack. I want to purchase the shoe rack. So I will go to the website of Urban Ladder or Featherlight, and I will tell I want to purchase the shoe rack. then what the customer will, it's online now, it's a e-commerce. So they will give us then facility to design this product. Design means not like we have to go there, we have to draw a line, sketches that, extrude that, assemble that. No. What and all is needed for this designing of the means the configuration required for this, they will give it in a e-commerce page. See, this is the software, what it is, the SolidWorks software window. This is the shoe rack for me. So now, as I was telling you now in the previous slide, we have a option like DriveWorks automation software. This is the DriveWorks automation software. I'm not showing in the HTML file. So I'm showing you in the software itself. Okay. Now the customer wants to design this shoe rack, means what you can do as a design engineer, you will create a form by using DriveWorks software. What is that form? So the customer will go and he will look like this. His window means HTML file will look like this. So first he will go and he will mention that what is the customer name, address he will give, who is the salesperson. If he is contacted, then he will give the salesperson name, in which currency I want to calculate this shoe rack, he can able to tell. So this will be the commercial details. Next I will go and I will tell next I want to design details I want to get. Means the shoe rack should have length, width, thick, depth, correct? Length of this, height of this, first of all, height, width and depth of this. So I will go and I will tell here, I have already given that maximum it should be 400, minimum it should be 400 and maximum 1500. So I will take, I need a height of 1000. I need height of 1000, width of some 800 width I need, depth of 600, let it be. So like this I have given dimension. Customer will give you the dimension like this. And what type of door I need. So now I have three kinds of door. First I will go and tell flat, means the customer will design his product, but designing means he will not go and draw and extrude and do the assembly. He will select what he needs. He will tell glass door I need, so he will select as a glass door. I will go for next, and which material he want to select. So our company has so many of materials, so I will go and I will tell I want to have mahogany. So handle, what handle I should get. So I will go and I will select D style handle. And then customer will tell that preview. I want to see the preview according to the selection what I have done now. The software will start designing, redesigning automatically according to the customer requirement. See, this is called as automation. If new customer comes and if he tells the dimension, the designer should not sit once again and he should not do the design once again from the scratch. Already it is there. Customer will tell his requirement, according to that the design is done. See, so customer will think that, oh, this is not shoe rack I want to have, so I want to change the dimensions. Okay, go for the dimensions once again. And you can tell height I want only 600. Height should not be more. Width I want more, so I will go for width as 1500. See, when you are filling the dimension, automatically the design also will get start changing. This I will tell width I will tell I want some 1500 width. See? See, so now it is become as a shoe rack. So customer will order this and he will design. So the customer got the satisfaction, yes, I designed my shoe rack, okay, myself. And okay, I don't want a dark color, I want some light color. So then I will go and I will tell paint. See, the entire the outlook of the box only will get changed. Means the material will get changed. See, pin material like this. This is what the trend of today's in the industry. Today trend in industry is this automation. Okay, students. Huh? So you have to get ready yourself. You have to prepare yourself, okay, for this automation. This type of automation. If the product is there, 1 liter bottle, you are doing the water bottle manufacturing. You have joined to any one company where they are doing the manufacturing, water bottle manufacturing. So you have to think how to do the automation of this design. Okay, so this is because of SolidWorks with TriWorks automation software. Okay, next I will be going and I will ask you how many. I asked you before itself, how many of you want to become a design engineers? Almost all, 80% of you have want to become a design engineers. So then what is the job profile of the design engineer, you know? So just I will go and I will show the typical organization structure. This is the organization structure, because I know that you have not entered into any organization structure. This is the organization structure. Now I will tell, designer job is to work with all the industries, with all the departments. Sir, why I need to work for all the departments? My job is to work as a designer. I will sit in one cabin and I will start working as a designer. Software will be given, AC will be there. I will start using the computer and I will design them. Never. Design engineer job is to, he is a backbone of the company. Design engineer is a backbone of the organization. How? One by one I will explain, you see. So management, I will not tell about the management, because management will invest the money and they have many other operations. But when it comes to sales and marketing department, what happens? The sales and marketing departments will try to get the order and market the product what we are manufacturing, correct? So to sell the product or to market the product, what they want? They want a technical clarification. Means technical input they want. How our product is better than other products. So to market that, the technical information they need. Who will give the technical information? The designer only has to give the technical information for the sales and marketing people. After getting the sales and what they will do? They will submit the project to end planning and estimation costing. So what this department will do? They will do the planning, whether the machine is available for us to manufacture, what are the process I need to manufacture that, what is the process, whether the material is there, what is the cost of the material, everything they will do the planning only. But all to plan that, who will give the input? The designer, once again, he will give the input. Means number of bolts it has to be purchased. The designer will give that I need so and so number of bolts, nuts, washers. Okay, so this has to be machined like this only. This should be some material from this only. So everything is given by the designer only. And next we have core department, mechanical, electrical, civil, okay, electronics and all. So they will give, they are the designers, where the designers will be working in the core department. Without the core department, because the designers are a core department, you cannot able to move anywhere, any chance. No product will be manufactured without this core department. And finally, the production. Production engineers or production will not happen without any drawing at all. Without drawing, the production will be happen? No chance. So who will give the 2D drawing? Once again, the designer has to give the 2D drawing. Okay, so this is what the job responsibility of the designer, job profile of the designer. Okay, so if you want to become a designer, you have to know all the process, what they are doing, what it is there, everything you have to know. Okay, so now I will come and I will I will ask you on the what industry needs from graduates. Then what the industry is needing. So industry needs from graduates are the basic engineering and engineering language. First is drawing reading. All of you have to know how the drawing reading should be there. What is the drawing? What is the title block? What is material hardness? What is the material hardness? To read this title block you should know. Okay, then what is this hatch? So previously, like for 1 week or 2 weeks back, so one person came and I was an interview, like I want to do the interview for him. So he is a fresher once again, and I gave this drawing and I told him to do the 3D modeling. What he did not, so he went and he told. So usually what we do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. I told 6 into 10 mm hole. It has to be placed. What he did, 6 into 10, 60 mm. 60 mm diameter hole he is putting here, and he is telling that, sir, your given dimension is wrong. I went and I told him what dimension I have given wrong. So he told, sir, 6 into 10, you have told that 6 into 10 is 60 mm. So I am trying to put a 60 mm drill hole here. In the design, it is not coming. That is 10 mm hole in 6 places. Okay, so you should know how to read the drawing. What is the symbol of this? Anyone can tell me? Huh? Anyone can tell me? No, because you doesn't know what. Sorry, what is that? Yeah, good. I appreciate. Anyone can tell me?
Language of engineering.
Language of engineering, not that symbol. What I'm asking you is that symbol. What is the symbol? Like square, it is given now, like this, and dia 0.406 they have mentioned now. You can see this, right? So what this symbol represents? What do you mean by tap hole, counter bore, countersink hole? Where it is used? Why it is used? I know that if I ask you any question, like once again, someone asked me, no, Mohammed, you asked me, like you answered me, no. Another one small question to the Mohammed. Mohammed, what do you mean by M10 hold or M10 bolt? What is the dimension of M10 bolt? You can able to tell me? No, just try it out. There is nothing wrong, because we know that you are still in a students community. Okay. So if you know, yes, you tell me, or what is M10, you tell me. No, that is only because you have to ready for that actually. Okay. So you have to learn what is fit, tolerances, interference detection. Okay. Part assembly and 2D drawing. What is sub-assembly? How many levels of sub-assemblies will be there? Okay, this is what the first of all you have to learn before going to the industry. Okay, then manufacturing process. Machining means what? What is prismatic component? What is turned component? By chance, if you have selected for the aerospace industry, and they told that you take out the manufacturing process drawing, they will tell you to prepare the process drawing. What do you mean by process drawing? What and all the informations I want to give it in a process drawing? In the interview only they will ask you what is the process drawing. Anyone can able to explain me what is the process drawing? Then casting means injection molding process. If you are taking the metal, then it is called as casting. Then if it is plastic, what the technology we will talk about. What is the material we use for the manufacturing of the plastic? What is the screw injection point? What is multi mold technology? Multi-family, mold family. What do you called as mold family? Huh? So this and all you have to learn. Okay, so you have to know this and all that the company will not teach you. They don't want to spend money and time to teach all these things in the company. Before going to the job or before entering into an industry, you have to know all these things. That is only what the industries are expecting from you. If I tell sheet metal, what are the different types of sheet metal manufacturings are there? Process, what is the sheet metal process? Bending, forming, punching, rolling. Then what is structural? What is welding? Bolts, nuts, rivets. What do you mean by additive manufacturing process? I asked one student, hey, I want to get some 1,000 pieces. Okay, quickly I want to manufacture, and you have to give me. Then what is the manufacturing process you follow? Blindly he told additive manufacturing are 3D printing. Whether the 1,000 components can be printed in the 3D printing, what time it will take, whether this is the technology, the 3D printing technology is used for the mass manufacturing, correct now? Huh? So you have to know what is the new technology, what is the old technology, what is the process of the technology. Okay, everything you have to know. This is what so only the industry peoples are telling, that you have to get a experience. It's not that working experience. Okay, at least you have to know what it is actually. Before knowing this, and if you are going and if you are asking me, sir, I want some 20,000 salary and I want to work in your company, who will invest the money on you? If you are giving back 40,000 rupees to the company, then they will invest 20,000 rupees on you. So if you want to do only unskilled laborer job, then thousands of people they will get unskilled laborer job. They are ready to work for 5,000, 6,000, 8,000. So then why they need design engineers? So sorry, why they need the mechanical engineers? So only who are passed out and who is going for the industry, please get ready yourself. See, you may think now, I am telling so much of thing, and you may think that, sir, in college they are not teaching us this and all. What I should do, sir? See, colleges are there to put the foundation. They are preparing you for the basics. Strength of materials, machining of machines of mechanics. That and all is the basic subjects where they teach you on the basics. But technology, what it is there, that you have to learn. So then where I should go and learn this technology, sir? You have to learn this technology by the industrial experience persons. Okay, so only I told you, MBBS and engineering, mechanical engineering are both equal. So after coming out from the MBBS course, they will go for the some specialist course, or they will work as a assistant professor without salary, or by paying the money and all, they will get the experience. Same thing, you people also have to invest your time on 1 year, next 1 year, 4+1 year. In that year, you have to learn that technology. There was a time they were taking you as a internship or apprenticeship. Okay, so they were giving you the stipend money, and you were working and they were giving you some salary, very little bit of salary, like 3,000, 4,000 salary as a stipend, and they were doing. But nowadays, you know the situation. Nowadays, no one want to invest money without any return on investment. Okay, so please understand the situation and don't blame the industry people. Means, sir, we are not getting job. Our college is like this. Our lecturers is like this. Don't blame like that. First of all, you start preparing yourself. As I told you, no, you have a mobiles with you. Go for YouTube's, learn many videos, or come to industrial expert peoples, so that they will guide you where to go, what to do, everything. So this is what you want to do on the DFM, design for manufacturing. You have to develop your skills in the design for manufacturing. This is manufacturing process, design process, but simultaneously you have to go for design simulation also. This is another one phase where after designing, okay, so whether my design is working or not, whether it can be manufactured or not, how much load I can able to apply for this, that is called as design analysis process. So you people know analysis process. I don't want to teach this, but I want to tell you what are the challenges across the industry. It is there. You have to prepare yourself for these challenges. Will it fails? After designing everything, you will tell that, sir, I have done the best design, whether whatever it is there. Will it fails? How does it fails? Will it perform? How long to failure? Till it will it survive the sudden loads? Is it manufacturable? Can this design be made better? Can I reduce prototype? So these are the main challenges what the industry is facing. So you have to prepare for these challenges. And if you go to the industry, the company door will be open for you. See, before, if you are going for the interview, okay, so in your hand there should be one file, where the file should contain your marks cards, okay, and resume, everything. But now the trend has been changed, my dear students. If you want to attend the interview, go with the laptop. Why? Whatever you have done, some projects or something, you have to give the presentation. See, I have involved in many interview process. Okay, so nowadays the students are coming with the laptops and they're presenting what they know. Means that is the talent what the students are having. So you also should be a competent person. If you are having any competent with you, then only the industry peoples will take you. Otherwise, no. So as per this, so what the Conceptia and Dassault System SolidWorks will help you. So in this pandemic situation, so SolidWorks have brought, means the SolidWorks are very keen towards the students actually. Okay, so what they have brought? They have brought one excellent offer for you. What is that offer? So now you cannot able to go to the colleges, no, labs are not there, so you cannot able to go for the CAD lab and you cannot able to work over there. So 60 days SolidWorks education license they are giving you free in the sense they are running one program. If you enroll for that program, 60 days SolidWorks education license they will give you for your laptop, for your laptop or for your system. And they will give you the online training from Dassault System certified instructor. I told you, no, who can be the specialized instructor? The person who has got 12 years plus experience in the industry, who knows the industry very well. The industry person and plus he should know the software also. Both include the person they have certified. In all over India, there is only 12 to 15 people are there who are certified instructor. Among that, I am one person. So I will be giving you the training on how the software you have to use, what is the manufacturing process, why this command is used, where this command has to be used. Okay, online training from Dassault System certified instructor. Then you will get the certification event ID. I told you, no attended certificate. You have to go and you have to write an international exam that is called as CSWP, Certified SolidWorks Professional. So you have to write an exam that will be 3 hours exam, 3-hour 20-minute exam online. So you have to get past, then only you will get a certificate from the Dassault System. This is internationally valid. It is not only the local institute certificate. This is an international certificate from the Dassault System. So all put together means 60 days SolidWorks software, training from the Dassault System certified instructor, and CSWP online certification event ID. All put together, we are providing you for 2,600 rupees. In this inclusive of GST. So if you are paying only 2,132 rupees, that's all. 2,132 rupees. So in this you will be getting training, software, and event ID, CSWP event ID. It is not from SolidWorks. This is not from Conceptia Connect. This is from Dassault System SolidWorks. Okay. So by this, I am ending my presentation. Okay, so thank you for the institute who gave us an opportunity to touch base the students community and to guide them. So how to prepare yourself for the industry. Thank you. So if you have any question, now we are open for the Q&A session. So if you have any questions, please let me know.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your
Please fill the feedback form, and please I request everyone to ask some questions, okay, so that I can able to answer for that. If it is related to any course you want to join for the course and you want to any course you want to join, or you have any doubts on the course or on the technology, if you have to any doubts, please let us know.
yes. Please make it more interactive. Students can ask more doubt.
But the
Also,
participation is very less, okay, but who have participation, I appreciate your time, okay, so who have come here and you have participated.
Yes. Mainly because of the time, I think the participation was less. I think so. Okay. So also there was a feedback form. Student have to fill that feedback form also.
Ebin, you can continue. If you said you can continue, I will be there online.
Yes, thank you, sir. Yeah. So already his certification Vinay sir explained this. So Dassault System SolidWorks team conduct a certification program CSWP എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നമ്മുടെ ഈ ഒരു പാൻഡമിക് സിറ്റുവേഷൻ ആയതുകൊണ്ടല്ല കണ്ടക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. കഴിഞ്ഞ അനേക വർഷങ്ങളായിട്ട് നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന സർട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ ആണ്. സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്, പ്രൊഫഷണൽ ആൾക്കാരും ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട് CSWP. പക്ഷേ സ്റ്റുഡൻസിന് വേണ്ടി, എക്സ്ക്ലൂസീവ് ഈ സ്റ്റുഡൻസിന് വേണ്ടി ഈ ഒരു പാൻഡമിക് സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ Dassault System അതുപോലെ SolidWorks ടീം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഒരു ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി തരുവാണ്, നിങ്ങളുടെ ടെക്നിക്കൽ ലെവൽ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സ്കില്ല് എക്സ്പ്ലോർ ചെയ്യാനുള്ള. അതുപോലെ ഇതിന്റെ നോർമൽ എമൗണ്ട് യെസ് വിനയ് സർ, are you there in the line?
Yeah, tell me.
Could you explain them like the normal amount and the offer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, without this offer now, if you want to go and if you want to take the certification, okay, so it will be charging you 10,000 rupees. See, you can go and you can check. That is not an issue. Go to the SolidWorks home page. Okay, so in the SolidWorks home page, you can go and you can select the support here. Okay, in the support last, the page last, you have certifications. You can click on the certifications and you can tell, see, this is the certifications what you are having, means which is conducted from the SolidWorks. So here SolidWorks professional mechanical design. So if you go and if you tell like this, if you click here, so take exam, means it will be 9,426 rupees. I told you, no, this is the international certification. It's not an attended certification. All the languages it is available. See, all over world with all languages it is available, and currencies also you can see. With all the currencies it is there. Okay, if you are not a student and if you want to take this exam, then you have to pay 10,000 rupees nearly. But now with the pandemic situation and with the means the Dassault system wants to help you. Okay, so by improving your career, you want to get yourself prepared for the next generation. For that, we are giving you for only 2,136 rupees or 2,100 rupees. 8,000 rupees we are giving you as a discount. Dassault system is giving you the discounts. We not, means Conceptia software we are not giving the offer. Dassault system is giving you the offer. Okay, please, I request everyone to take this opportunity. Now almost all from 2 months this offer is there, and almost all like 1,500 students, I think we have trained them and they have passed the certification. Not all of them have passed. Who have got the talent, they have passed, but you have to check what is your talent. Okay, see, 2,000 rupees is not a big amount. If I am not wrong, I know that 2,000 also for some students it is very big amount, but participating in the international level, okay, paying 2,000, it is very less actually comparing to that activity. Okay, so please, I'm telling, because you have the chance to know what is the international certification means. So how the exam will be there, how they will evaluate us. Okay, so that how I can able to prepare myself, at least to know that, please attend this exam. Okay, thank you. Abhin?
Yes, thank you, Vinay sir. So, guys, if you have any questions, please unmute your mic and ask.
Okay, so regarding this concept, the SolidWorks, you are the students will get training. You will give training classes for these courses or not?
Yeah. Like if the student is enrolling for the okay, students ഇപ്പം ഇതിനകത്ത് രജിസ്റ്റർ ചെയ്യുവാണെങ്കിൽ അവർക്ക് ഒരു 5 days ഓൺലൈൻ ട്രെയിനിങ് ഞങ്ങൾ Dassault സിസ്റ്റം ട്രെയിനർ വക കൊടുക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. ആൻഡ് ഈ ഒരു സമയത്ത് അവർക്ക് CAD ലാബ് ആക്സസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല, കോളേജിലൊന്നും പോകാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് SolidWorks ടീം സ്റ്റുഡൻസിന് വേണ്ടി 2 months വാലിഡേറ്റഡ് ലൈസൻസ് സോഫ്റ്റ്വെയർ പ്രൊവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. സോ അവർക്ക് വീട്ടിൽ ഇരുന്ന് പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യാം. സോ ഓൺലൈൻ ട്രെയിനിങ് ആയിരിക്കും നടക്കുന്നത്. ഓൺലൈൻ ട്രെയിനിങ് യൂഷ്വലി ഞങ്ങൾ ഇപ്പം നടത്തി വരുന്നത് ഫ്രം 4 to 6 PM ആണ് നടക്കുന്നത് ട്രെയിനിങ്ങില്.
4 to 6
ആണ് യൂഷ്വലി നടക്കുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് ഇപ്പം ഈ ഓഫർ തരാൻ പല റീസൺസ് ഉണ്ട്. ഇപ്പം ഫസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റുഡൻസിന് ഒരു ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി കിട്ടണം. ദേ ഹാവ് ടു, ഈ ഒരു പാൻഡമിക് സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ ഓൺലൈൻ ക്ലാസ് അല്ലാതെ അവർക്ക് ടെക്നിക്കലായിട്ട് ഒരു പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോം കിട്ടുന്നില്ല. ഇപ്പം
Okay.
first of all, yeah, once again, so once again, from my side, congratulations to all the winners who got selected for the La Foundation project competition. So once again, on behalf of SolidWorks team and on behalf of Conceptia, we congratulate all the 13 students. അവർക്ക് സ്പെഷ്യൽ ഓഫറും കൂടെ ഇത് സ്റ്റുഡൻസിന് ഈ ഓഫർ എന്തായാലും ഉണ്ട് 2600.
ഓക്കെ, അപ്പൊ ഇത് പാസ് ഔട്ട് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഇപ്പോ ഫൈനൽ ഇയർ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള സ്റ്റുഡൻസിനും ഈ ഓഫർ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലേ? ഇപ്പോ ഈ പറഞ്ഞ
യെസ് യെസ്. അപ്പൊ ഇതിന്റെ പ്രൊസീജിയർ 5 days ഇനീഷ്യൽ ട്രെയിനിങ് പീരീഡ്, അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് 25 days ഇവർക്ക് ഒരു ബഫർ ടൈം പ്രാക്ടീസ് പോലെ കൊടുക്കും. സോ 1 month കഴിയും. 31st day അങ്ങനെ ഇവർക്ക് 2 മാസം വാലിഡിറ്റി ലൈസൻസ് സോഫ്റ്റ്വെയർ ആണ് പ്രൊവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ അതിനകത്ത് 30 days കഴിഞ്ഞു. 60 days 30 days 5 days ട്രെയിനിങ്ങും 25 days ബഫർ ടൈം പ്രാക്ടീസും കൊടുക്കും. 31st day ഇവരുടെ ഈ എക്സാമിന്റെ ഈവന്റ് ID SolidWorks ടീം ജനറേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കും. സോ ഇൻ നെക്സ്റ്റ് 30 days they have to take the exam, CSWP certification.
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ.
പിന്നെ ഞങ്ങൾ റെക്കമെൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഈ ട്രെയിനിങ് അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് എക്സാം ക്ലിയർ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നില്ല. യു ഹാവ് ടു പ്രാക്ടീസ് മിനിമം 2 hours a day.
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. അപ്പോ ഇത് കുറച്ചുകൂടി ഫൈനൽ ഇയർ
പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് പാസ്പോർട്ട് സ്റ്റുഡൻസിന് കുറച്ചും കൂടെ ഒരു പടി നല്ലത്. സത്യം പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഈ ഒരു അടുത്തൊരു 1 year ഈ ഒരു പാൻഡമിക് സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ ഈവൻ കമ്പനീസ് പോലും റിക്രൂട്ട്മെന്റ് കുറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുവാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ബാക്കി ഫൈനൽ ഇയേഴ്സ് 30s ഒന്നും ചെയ്യേണ്ടെന്നല്ല, പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് പാസ് കുറച്ചും കൂടെ നല്ലത് ഈ CSWP സർട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ.